Losing weight can be frustrating, especially when you feel like you're doing everything right but still not seeing results. Here are some hidden reasons why you might not be losing weight and how to fix them. 1. You're eating more calories than you think. Hidden reason. Even if you're eating healthy foods, portion sizes can add up, and hidden calories in dressings, sauces, and snacks can sabotage your efforts. Fix. Track your food intake with an app or journal to get a better sense of your actual calorie consumption. 2. You're not eating enough protein. Hidden reason. Protein keeps you full longer and helps maintain muscle mass while losing weight. If you're not eating enough, you may feel hungrier and overeat. Fix. Aim for a protein source in every meal, such as eggs, chicken, fish, tofu, or beans. 3. You're not strength training. Hidden reason. Relying only on cardio can lead to muscle loss, which slows metabolism. Strength training helps maintain lean muscle mass and boosts calorie burn. Fix. Incorporate resistance training at least 2 to 3 times a week. 4. You're underestimating liquid calories. Hidden reason. Sugary drinks, alcohol, and even healthy smoothies can contain hundreds of hidden calories. Fix. Stick to water, black coffee, or unsweetened tea, and be mindful of liquid calorie intake. 5. You're stressed out. Hidden reason. Stress increases cortisol levels, which can lead to cravings for sugary and fatty foods, as well as fat storage around the belly. Fix. Practice stress management techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or exercise. 6. You're not sleeping enough. Hidden reason. Poor sleep disrupts hunger hormones, leading to increased appetite and cravings for unhealthy foods. Fix. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night by maintaining a consistent sleep schedule. 7. You have an undiagnosed medical condition. Hidden reason. Conditions like hypothyroidism, PCOS, or insulin resistance can make weight loss more difficult. Fix. If you suspect a medical issue, consult a healthcare provider for tests and guidance. 8. You're not moving enough. Hidden reason. Even if you work out, being sedentary for the rest of the day, e.g., sitting at a desk for hours, reduces overall calorie burn. Fix. Incorporate movement throughout the day. Take breaks, go for walks, or stand while working. 9. Your diet is too restrictive. Hidden reason. Extreme dieting can slow metabolism and lead to binge eating later. Fix. Follow a sustainable eating plan that includes all food groups in moderation. 10. You're not being patient. Hidden reason. Weight loss takes time, and plateaus are normal. Fix. Stay consistent, focus on long-term habits, and celebrate non-scale victories like improved energy and strength. Not being patient can prevent weight loss in several ways. 1. Unrealistic expectations lead to frustration. Many people expect rapid results, but healthy weight loss is typically 0.5 to 2 pounds per week. When results don't come fast enough, frustration can lead to giving up or resorting to unsustainable crash diets. 2. Frequent diet hopping. Impatience often leads to jumping from one diet to another before the body has time to adapt. This can prevent long-term progress and make it harder to find a sustainable approach. 3. Giving up too soon. Many people quit after a few weeks if they don't see big changes. However, weight loss isn't linear. Some weeks the scale won't move, but body composition may be improving, like losing fat while gaining muscle. 4. Binge and restrict cycle. Impatience can lead to extreme restriction, which often results in binge eating when willpower runs out. This can undo progress and create an unhealthy relationship with food. 5. Ignoring non-scale victories. Focusing only on the scale can be discouraging. If you're impatient, you may overlook signs of progress like more energy, better sleep, looser clothes, or increased strength. How to fix it? Set realistic, sustainable goals like 1 to 2 pounds per week. Track non-scale victories like energy levels, endurance, and how clothes fit. Trust the process and commit to long-term habits rather than quick fixes. Patience is key to making weight loss lasting and healthy. Ignoring non-scale victories, NSVs, can prevent weight loss by affecting motivation, mindset, and consistency. Here's how. 1. Loss of motivation leads to giving up. If you only focus on the scale and don't see immediate results, you might feel discouraged and quit, even though your body is changing in positive ways. 2. Scale fluctuations can be misleading. Your weight naturally fluctuates due to water retention, hormones, or muscle gain. If you ignore NSVs, like looser clothes, better endurance, or increased strength, you might think your efforts aren't working and stop trying. 3. Overlooking body composition changes. Fat loss doesn't always show up as a lower number on the scale, especially if you're gaining muscle. If you ignore signs like toned muscles or a smaller waistline, you might think you're not progressing. 4. Leads to unhealthy crash dieting. If the scale isn't moving, you might resort to extreme diets or over-exercising instead of trusting the process. This can slow metabolism and make weight loss harder in the long run. 5. Mental frustration increases stress. Constantly focusing on the scale can create stress and anxiety, which raises cortisol levels. High cortisol can lead to fat retention, especially in the belly area. How to fix it? Track NSVs. Celebrate progress like fitting into smaller clothes, feeling stronger, having more energy, or sleeping better. Take progress photos and measurements. The scale might not move, but these can show real changes. Shift your focus. Instead of just a weight goal, aim for goals like running a mile faster, lifting heavier weights, or cooking more healthy meals. By recognizing all forms of progress, you stay motivated, consistent, and more likely to succeed in your weight loss journey.